Welcome back to Maisie CC channel. Today we're reacting to Elsa and Anna decorating a whole house in Toca World. You won't believe how magical it gets. Let's go! Woo, okay, starting with an empty room. And that balcony? Yes, please! Oh, the chaise lounge, it's giving spa day vibes. And the little white table next to it? I can already hear the iced tea clinking. Hydrangeas, blue and purple like a cloud made of dreams. Flooring switch, from wood to icy blue tile. This is now a snowflake princess's room. Moon core unlocked. And that night's skyline art. City girl dreams forever. Blue shelves, clean, simple and elegant. And wait, acrylic coffee table? It's giving futuristic museum vibes. Okay, that room is an actual masterpiece. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and comment which item you'd steal for your own space. Oh my god, look at all the holiday stuff! She's got a wreath, a snow globe, that box is already magical! Wait, she used a wand? Feathers flying, and there's a giant blue diamond! What is this garden? Elsa's got farming and fashion covered. Ooh, now we're in the science lab! She found another diamond? This girl's prepping for everything. Elsa is ready. A purple unicorn in the locker? Who's hiding magical plushies in their school? What is she planning? Oh, baby clothes! Elsa's even thinking of the tiny cuties. Her heart is full, and so is that container. This was an Elsa epic. Smash that like button, subscribe if you love magic and chaos. A snowflake hoverboard? Elsa said fashionably icy. Oh boy, here we go! Lucky wheel time! She steps on the rug, uses her wand. And it lands on the lantern! Yes, and look at all the crumb animals cheering for her! Smash that like button, subscribe if you love magic and chaos, and comment what you'd pick from the lucky wheel. That container's still full from her last adventure. Let's unpack. She's putting everything on these blue shelves like she's designing a magical bedtime museum. Iconic. Ooh, coral centerpiece on the clear bench. We're classy today. Oh, and the crystal tray. That's straight up energy healing station vibes. That was a whole vibe. If you live in Elsa's icy chic bedroom, hit that like button, subscribe, and tell me what's your favorite part. Okay, bathroom time. Look at those blue walls. So spa-like already. Elsa said color coordination or bust. She just added mini tree decor. Are we getting holiday spa vibes? And that clawfoot tub, it's pastel princess perfection. A little privacy, but make it aesthetic. Hair dryer, shampoo, hair pro spray. Elsa said she has a routine. Bathrobe and towel hung like a hotel. And wait, is that an eyeshadow palette and makeup brushes? Glam Zone unlocked. Oh, snowflake wallpaper, yes! I already feel like I'm walking into a cozy ski lodge. This blue striped sofa, it's giving holiday movie binge for 12 hours straight vibes. Wait, a chandelier. Not just any chandelier, a sparkly one. Elsa said, elegance only, please. Teddy bear holding a heart. My heart. Wow, I can't believe how perfect this turned out. Look at all the cute details. This pink and blue kitchen unit is so pastel I might cry. And another chandelier. Elsa really said, double the sparkle, double the fun. Popcorn and chips box, yum. But the toaster on the floor. Girl, clean up before the guests come over. Okay, never mind. She's putting them on the shelves like a pro. That toaster is finally safe. And yay for plate stacks in the blender. Let's make smoothies after snowball fights. Oh, that long white dining table with the blue runner. Iconic. It's like Elsa's winter brunch is about to start. Stop, that's too cute. Crumbs watching from the sill like, hey girl. The vase, the rug, the whole mood. It's giving snowy cottagecore. Okay, this wall setup is an organized dream. Elsa is a decorating queen. Guys, this whole room is like a cozy winter sleepover just waiting to happen. Which part is your favorite? The tree, the snacks, the chandelier? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that frosty bell for more Elsa makeovers. Elsa comes in like a cleaning queen with that little feather duster. Yes, dust those petals, girl. Wait, Anna's here. Do you want to build a snowman? Yes, please, grab Elsa's hand and let's go. Hey, it's a snowy wonderland. Christmas lights on the tree, frozen pond in the back. This is straight out of Frozen 3. They're so cute. Back to building a house. Girl, same energy every time I leave Target. Okay, home makeover time. Striped wallpaper, gorgeous. Aircon with icicles, fancy. A tulip bush and a rock, because nature. And the tree from earlier, they brought it in. Full circle moment. Let's talk transformation. Green tiles, yes. Orange floor, yes. Gold shower. What is this? A luxury spa? That wavy mirror? I'm calling it Bathroom of the Year. And wait, robes and towels. Who's the guest? Queen of Arendelle? Oh, we're not done. Planter next to the tub. Look at that sofa. And the frog teapot. This is the coziest tea party corner ever. I want in. Okay, whoa. Wood walls, hanging ivy lights. It's giving cottagecore chef kiss. The lime green stove, adorable. This house is officially done and I'm moving in. Plates on the table, bread on the stove, and that flower poster? It says bloom, and I feel it blooming in my soul. Which room was your favorite? Was it the snowman zone, the frog teapot, or that stocked fridge? Oh, we're stocking the fridge. Watermelon salad. Roast chicken. Juice. They're feeding the whole cast. Anna's here and she looks hungry. Elsa shows up with her snowflake wand and she's like, I want to eat something hot and yummy. Oh my gosh, mini game time. Y'all know I'm voting spaghetti. Yes, we got seafood pasta. And Anna's like, let's eat spaghetti together. Friendship goals. Okay, watch this. Anna is being so helpful. And now she's tossing it in the pan. Sizzle, sizzle. Magic spaghetti transformation. It's cooked instantly. She's flipping it with a spatula like a pro chef. Girl, call her Anna Ramsey. Okay, it's ready. She brings it to the table. Look at them eat. Elsa's so polite. Anna's like licks lips. I can't. This is the cutest meal ever. We're moving into a brand new room. Look at that loft. 4-poster bed of my dreams. Pink canopy and ivy. I'm obsessed. Curtains for drama, lights for aesthetic, and that mirror. Yes, queen. A bench, books, pet cushion. It's giving magical attic vibes. And a green ceiling lamp, hello statement piece. Tiny stool, plush teddy, poof, mystery green box. We are building a mood here, people. Smash that like if you'd move in here and subscribe for more cozy chaos. OMG, it's a whole squad outside the window. She places the green box. Elsa enters with the blue gift box. Wait, it exploded confetti! So adorable! Elsa with hard eyes just melted my soul. Okay, now we're accessorizing like pros. Makeup, lotion, a tiny backpack. The pet bed found a new spot. This room is straight out of a fairy tale now. I'd live here. Not kidding. This room is everything, like comfy and magical. Okay, can we just take a second to appreciate how perfect this room turned out? If you want to live here too, don't forget to tap that like button and hit subscribe so you never miss another decorating adventure. Tell me in the comments, what was your favorite part of the room? I'll be reading all your replies. Bye, besties. Stay magical.